Hello everyone, this is Paul with Auto Nucleus, and today I'm actually going to do a product unboxing. Today we're looking at the Zhiyun Smooth 4, so I just want to go ahead and unbox it and probably take it outside and get some sample footage, but without editing it. So hopefully you can just kind of get an idea what it's capable of. If you're not familiar with this product, it's a gimbal. It's a gimbal that's used just to stabilize your video and get you some nice cinematic looking video footage. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open and just do the unboxing. So looks like this one. Just gonna cut open the sides. So it comes with a nice hard styrofoam type of case. It is textured. Comes with some quick start guide literature. Looks standard. And then on the bottom of this, just plain looking, nothing too exciting. Still feels like styrofoam on the bottom. When we go ahead and open it, got our Smooth 4 gimbal here. Take it out without breaking it. So the bottom here feels like it's made out of plastic, composite plastics, not too exciting. The knob here is very smooth. Doesn't look like it does any ratcheting. I've read that this one actually does lock in place, which is nice. So if you need to go ahead and do some quick transport or anything, or go into portrait mode, it locks into place compared to other gimbals that just kind of move around aimlessly. So that's nice. Got the trigger buttons here. This isn't a full review, so I'm, like I said, just an unboxing to play around with, and then I'll hopefully have some sample footage for you guys after this unboxing. So it looks all black. There is some slight texture onto it. I'm not sure if you can pick that up in the video, but there's a slight texture to it. Almost looks like little raindrops that dried up really quickly. So it gives it a nice little look. Let's see, can you see it on the... Yep, not sure if you can see that, but it's there. Has some USB-C charging port here. I believe there's another one. No, doesn't look like it, or I don't know where it is. But there's one USB-C charging port. That's to charge the actual gimbal. And then to charge your phone, you would probably connect it to the same... Oh, there it is. I knew there was another one. There's a second USB-C port right there. Also comes with a little tripod. So it has your standard tripod mount at the bottom. It's smooth to open. Also made out of plastic, but it's pretty durable. You have to open each leg up individually. They don't open all together. And then looks like you got your charging cable. So USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Alright, other than that, that's all you get in the unboxing. I'll have a couple sample footage of it using my iPhone 8 Plus phone. I'm not going to edit the video so that you can see what it looks like just right out the box. So look forward to that here in a few seconds. Thank you, everyone.